Bonjour, I'm Hina from evidyarthi.in and in this session we'll learn the demonstrative pronoun. What are demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun are those which pointed out something very specific. When we are talking about something very specific, we use demonstrative pronouns. So जब हम किसी particular चीज के बारे में बात करते हैं, किसी particular चीज को pointed out करते हैं, हम demonstrative pronoun use करते हैं. जैसे ये पेन और वो पेन. हम कंपैरिजन के लिए भी डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन यूज कर सकते हैं. सो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन इज यूज व्हेन वी पॉइंटिंग आउट समथिंग स्पेसिफिक. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, Selvi, which means the one, but Selvi is not for the specific one. It's for the one when we are not sure about the thing. Selvi, C is for the specific thing. When we are pointing out something specific, a particular thing. Next we have Selvilla, which means that one, this one and that one. Again we are pointing out something, we are talking about something specific. And if it comes with a plural, it will become su, which is the one, not specific one, or those. Then susi, which is these one, and sula, which means those one. The specific thing, two specific thing, these one and those one. For an example, we have four group for the demonstrative pronoun, just like masculine single, masculine plural, feminine single and feminine plural, male single, male plural, female single and female plural. तो ये हमारे चार पार्ट्स हैं. बिकॉज फ्रेंच में हर नाउन, हर आइटम का एक जेंडर होता है जो उस जेंडर को फॉलो करते हैं. जैसे मेस्कुलिन हो गया, फेमिनिन हो गया. जैसे हिंदी की ग्रामर में हमें हर चीज का जेंडर होता है. कुर्सी फीमेल, पंखा मेल. तो ऐसी फ्रेंच में हर नाउन, हर थिंग, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, लिविंग थिंग्स, सब का जेंडर होता है और हम उसको फॉलो करके ही कॉन्जुगेशन करते हैं. So in French also we have gender for each and every noun. Masculine single, masculine plural, feminine single or feminine plural. For example, we have the masculine single or male single. So we have Selvi, which means the one, which are not specific. Selvi is for non-specific. And if we say Selvi C, which is specific, these pen, ये वाला पेन. देन सेल्विला, दैट पेन, और वो वाला पेन. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग वेरी स्पेसिफिक. वी आर मेकिंग कंपैरिजन बिटवीन टू स्पेसिफिक थिंग, दिस एंड दैट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव मेस्कुलिन प्लूरल, विच इज सु, द वन और दोज विच आर नॉट स्पेसिफिक. सुसी, विच इज दीज वन विच आर स्पेसिफिक. Sula, which means those one, two specific thing. Susi and Sula are two specific thing. These and those one. For an example, we have Je ce livre-ci, mais je n'aime pas encore celui-là, which means I have read this book, but I haven't read that one. So, je is for the avoir, which means to have. So I have. Lu is for lire, which means to read. So je lu ce livre-ci, which means livre-ci is means this one. So we are talking about a particular book. Mais, which means but. Je n'aime pas encore celui-là, but I haven't read that one. Je n'aime pas is the negation, the negative. I haven't read that one. I have read this book, but I haven't read that one. We are talking about two specific book and we are making a comparison that I read this book, but I didn't read that book. Next example we have Je ne veux pas oignon, là, je voudrais ceci, which means I don't want those onion, I want these. Je ne veux pas, veux means to want. So it is again negation, the negative sentence. I don't want ces oignons, or means those onions. I want these. Je voudrais ceci. I want these. We are again talking about two particular onions. I don't want those onions. I want these onions. And now we'll talk about the feminine group. Feminine single or feminine plural. So for feminine single, we have celle, which means the one. It is not specific. It is not a particular thing. It's the one. Next we have celle-ci, which is the one. This one. The one and this one. We are talking about a specific thing. Celle-là, which is that one. Again a specific thing. This or that. Ye pen or wo pen. Ye chair or wo chair. Next we have the plural cell, which is the ones or those. Just remember S will be the silent. We will pronounce it as cell, not cells. So cell, the ones or those. We are not talking about a particular. Next we have celle-ci, which is these ones. Again a particular thing. Next we have celle-là, which is those one. Two specific, two particular things in plural. So for an example, we have j'aime bien ces chaussures, mais je n'aime pas dans ton celle-là, which means I like these shoes very much, but I don't like those ones at all. So j'aime bien is I like, aime is a verb which means to like. So j'aime bien means I like. Ce chaussure is these shoes. Si. So these shoes. Say chaussure, si. Celle-ci, these one. So I like, we are talking about particular, so we'll use these one, celle-ci. So I like these shoes very much. J'aime bien ce chaussure-ci, mais, but, I don't like those ones at all. Je n'aime pas ton tout celle-là, which means I don't like them at all. Je n'aime pas is a negative, I don't like. Ton tout is at all, and celle-là is those one. So I like these shoes very much, but I don't like those one. We are making a comparison between two specific shoes. These shoes and those shoes. Next we have, tu préfères quelle robe? Moi, je préfère celle-ci. Which means, which dress do you prefer? I prefer this one. Tu préfères is you prefer, and quelle robe is which dress. So which dress do you prefer? We are talking about two dresses. It's a comparison. So I prefer these one. Moi is for I, pronom tonic. Je préfère celle-ci. I prefer this one. Which robe you prefer? Which dress you prefer? I prefer these one. We are pointing out a particular dress. If you want to learn, if you want to revise these examples, you can download it from the link below. Is that clear? This one is very interesting and easy subject. Demonstrative pronoun. Celle-ci or celle-là. Merci. À bientôt.